What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Out here on the service call right now. Got everything lined up. We're about to get ready to do some welding. So, we're probably gonna have to, since we can't move it, I'm just gonna use the other one.
Yeah, do what you gotta do.
Still got it. That's close as I can hit it. You see how it's getting in that fucking grinder?
That's why I said you might have to cut it unless you just know you can make it stick.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to. I did what I did was I put I'm gonna use 7018s, cut them up a little bit. I can burn through that. You know what I'm saying? So I can build it up a couple times. You wouldn't even know that it's there because I can't get all the way down to that bottom unless I had a die grinder. I had to have a die grinder. I ain't got a die grinder, so I'm just gonna use what we got.
I know what you're saying. That'll melt that down in time. It starts puddling up, and you can run that bead and just use that and make your own bead.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Yeah. So them short pieces are gonna grab that really.
And he got the lock to move the trailer too, though, so we can't move the trailer anyway, right?
If I got an extra key there to unlock this and stuff, then yeah. Oh no.
So we could have moved it with my truck.
I mean, you'll see by that.
All right, just let me know.
And if anything, we can just move it in one of these.
That's all I want to do. If not, I just fire this bitch up. It's all good. So that's what we doing. Our goal is to try to knock this out, man. He got it in a tight spot because he put some junk in there. But at the bottom, though, I got to have a fucking die grinder in order to get all of it out. So I'm just going to cut the machine up a little bit and burn through the bottom. It'll be fine. And I'm going to wrap it up. So I'm about to get ready to do that here in a second. Hold on.